On today's video, we are doing something that I have not done all year long. That is ThredUp. We are opening a ThredUp shoebox. I have not purchased one ThredUp mystery box this entire year. I have tried out another company, but I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna give my old faithful a try and see if I can get some good items. This is the 15 pairs of shoes for $80. So if you wanna see what I got in my ThredUp shoebox, hopefully this isn't my last one this year, but we'll see. So very quickly, hi, if you're new, I'm Victoria. I am a reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, and Mercari. This channel is Super Geeked. I talk about all the things I get super geeked about, from contemporary and vintage fashion to mid-century modern collectibles and home goods. I sell all the things, and I also like unboxing mystery boxes for my business. I do resell these items online, so I'm definitely trying to make a profit off these boxes. Fingers crossed. I've had some great ThredUp shoe boxes over the years and some duds. So before we get into today's video, I would like to thank our sponsor, which is Vendoo. Vendoo is my go-to cross-listing app. They help me to sell more items, save time, have a consolidated place to keep all of my inventory, and allow me to devote more time to other areas of my business. If you've ever considered cross-listing, I highly recommend Vendoo. I've been using them for almost 2 years now, and I could not run my business without them. If you're currently only listing on 1 or 2 platforms and you may be cross-listing on your own, Vendoo will save you so much time. It takes me less than 1 minute to import my listings and then cross-post them to all of the platforms that I sell on. Right now, they have the capability for you to list on 10 different marketplaces. That is Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, Mercari, Depop, Facebook Marketplace, Kidizen, Tradesy, Shopify, and Grailed. There are 2 different ways that you can create listings to cross-list to other platforms. You can go to your favorite platform, or for me, the easiest platform to list on, which is Poshmark. I'll create my listing there. I will import it into Vendoo once I have the listing live on Poshmark, and then I cross-post to the other platforms that I sell on. But you don't have to do it that way. You can start on any of the platforms that you sell on and then import it into Vendoo, or you can create your listing right there in Vendoo. They have unlimited cross-posting and inventory storage. They host your high-resolution images so that you can easily transfer them on the other marketplaces that you sell on. But they also have some newer features that allow you to do inventory management, track your profit, do business analytics, and more. They're also integrated with SellHound. If you've ever used SellHound to check sold comps, then SellHound is integrated into Vendoo. And one of the features that I really like is there is a stale listing reminder that will tell you, this listing's stale, you might want to go ahead and relist it. And relisting it takes a couple seconds. I showed it in a previous video, and definitely worth checking out. So if you're interested in cross-listing, trying out Vendoo, I do have a code, Super Geeked. You can click on the link below in the description and use my code to get 25% off your first month. And thank you again to Vendoo for sponsoring this video. Again, I could not make a full-time income reselling online if it wasn't for this great tool that I use every single day. So thank you so much to Vendoo for sponsoring this video. So let's check out what I got in today's box. Okay, got my invoice. And it is the mixed shoes. There you go right there. 15 shoes for $80. It used to be $90, so that's cool. All right, and I have not peeked in here. Okay, got some ThredUp tissue paper. Glad they're still putting those in. I will definitely reuse that. No other packing in here, and we'll just start right here on the top. These are some Nike tennis shoes. They look like they are in clean condition. They are a size 10.5. I'll run comps on these, and I will pop the comps up so you can see what they look like they're running at. Where is the other shoe? Okay, here's the other one. Let's check it out. All right, same, great condition. These are called the Nike Zoom, by the way. So there it is right there. So we'll see if those are worth anything. Okay, we got some boots on top. Oh, they're tied together. They are these suede. They smell like real suede. They are tied together though, so bear with me. Very clean on the bottom. The bottom says extra light. Let me see if I can get these untied real quick. Okay. Well, there is a number on the inside, and then there is just a letter. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but there is just a letter G on the bottom. The sticker on the bottom, if you look, this means that it's leather, so these are leather boots, so I'm not really sure. I'll have to look these up and I'll pop up comps, but they're in excellent condition, super clean. Just some cool boots. I'm down with selling boots. Boot season's gonna be here soon, and boots usually sell for a good price. So, okay, next up we have some sandals. They are rubber band together. Again, very clean. Sometimes you get these boxes and the shoes are ate up, but these are pretty clean on the bottom. They are Loft. But just a cute little sandal, metallic and like a taupe nude color there. Let's see if it's got a name. Man-made upper, man-made sole, made in China, 7'7", a size 7. So I thought they looked a little smaller than that, but yeah, I mean, they're clean, but they're not leather, so. Okay, these are some Sperry's. So again, very clean. I'm very surprised. I've picked these up a little dirtier than this in the store. My mom likes Sperry's, but this looks to be too small for her. So, but great condition. I won't have to do a lot of cleaning. We love when we don't have to really clean shoes, because shoes are not fun to clean. Yeah, I was right. These are a size 6, but a cute little just canvas shoe. So I will sell these. And I say I'll sell these because sometimes you get some in here and they're not worth listing because maybe they're only gonna get you $10 in 6 months to a year. So I usually list the ones I know I'm gonna make a nice profit on, make my money back, and then get a profit on the box, and then decide whether I wanna list the ones that aren't gonna bring as much money. Because it's all about the profit, and my time is money. Okay, what are okay, I've heard of this brand. This is, I think it's pronounced Carium. So this was a blogger favorite shoe. They look very much like Keds. They're just like a white canvas shoe. The bottoms are, you know, decent. I can clean those up, not a big deal. But very cute style. I think these retail for around $100. So I'll check the comps and see, but they have these cute little leaf on the back, just some white canvas shoes, and here's the logo if you've never seen it. So yeah, definitely if the bloggers, the Instagram models are wearing those, then fashionistas, then they're usually good because you can definitely make a profit on them. Okay, what are these? So these are a black boot. They feel like leather. The inside has definitely had some wear. I mean, it's leather, so it's holding up. So I have heard this brand before. It is Joan and David. I don't know what the comps are on these. I've never picked these up for resale, but they're a cute boot. They have the split up here, so it's a more comfortable fit. Let's see what the other one looks like. This one has a rubber band. Yeah, again, the inside is definitely had some wear, but I'll clean them up, not a big deal. There we go. And these are a size 39. So super cute boot. We'll see what the comps say about them, but I mean, I'll list these for sure because they're leather. And a cute style, and made in Italy. So let's see what's next. Okay, know these bad boys. Okay, these are cute. These are usually pretty easy to clean. They are Chacos. They're in a sort of like turquoise. Not too dirty. They are small. So let's see what size they are. If you don't know, you can see what size Chacos are right back here. So these are a size 5. Let's make sure they match. Yeah. There's the other one. So size 5. But the bottoms are clean. Tops are pretty clean. So I'll for sure list these. Ooh, these are weird. I don't know about these. So these are kind of weird and funky. I'm not sure what they are. They are silver metallic. They have these weird bottoms. Look at those. I mean, they look like the tentacles on an octopus. What the heck? And the bottoms say 44 and 270. So I don't know. I don't know what the heck these are. And then the insoles don't have anything. In fact, they sort of raise up and they're like weird. I don't know. It feels like the stuff that they put under carpet. Moon shoes? I don't know. What are these? Anybody know? I'm going to look these up, of course, but yeah, those are weird. Okay, next up I have these mules. They have a... Ooh, what is that? What is that? Ew! If y'all missed my last shoe unboxing from America's Thrift Supply, I got some moldy shoes. So I am not wanting to repeat the mold. In fact, it was a little rainy today and I was like so worried about my box coming from FedEx for ThredUp. So anyway, glad these don't have mold. They're a cute style, but they are just Soul Society. So not really sure on the resale value of these. Again, I'll pop up the comps. Here's the other one. They did get kind of smashed, but I can stuff those and make them look nice again. Okay, and they are a leather upper, so I think with the style and with being a leather upper, even if the comps are low, I'll probably still list these. So far I'm listing most of the stuff in this box. That's good. Okay, what's next? Some more boots. We like boots. All right, so these are the next boots I have. Again, they had a rubber band, so they got a little damaged, a little dented, but I'll take some leather cleaner, clean these up. This is the brand Ms. Moose, which I think these retail for like $200. Here is the logo right here. I will check these out. I'm not sure resale value. I've never picked these up for resale. Okay, and these do have paper stuff down in them. So I wonder if these were not used. I don't know. They're size 9, which is a great size. Here is the other boot right there. Again, just needs to be reshaped. Let's see if there's paper. Yeah, there's paper in this one too. So if they were worn, they were taken really good care of. So can't wait to see what those are worth. Okay, we've got some more sandals. I've never had a ThredUp shoebox where they were all rubber banded like this. Okay, I'm not sure about listing these. These are the brand Rockin' Candy. Here it is. And they're these little sandals. They are not leather. They're faux leather. They're pretty clean. These will probably be one of the pairs that I list last, just to see what my profit is on this box. I did get some Rockin' Candy boots in my America's Thrift Supply shoebox, and I did list those because the comps were a little higher on, even though that brand's kind of an inexpensive brand. I listed them because the comps were pretty good on that specific style of boot, so you never know. Okay, these are some Toms, and they're pretty dirty. That's what they look like. The bottoms, Tom has that fuzzy, so they, when they import them, they can just import them as slippers. They're a little cheaper. I'll probably just redonate these to my local thrift store because I doubt I'll end up listing those. Okay, three more pair. Okay, what are these? All right, these are some cute espadrilles. They're in a large size too. They're also a little dusty and dirty. They are J. Crew. Oh, good, and these are a size 10. So love some bigger sizes, especially for a girl who wears bigger sizes. Here is the other espadrille. So I'll definitely be listing these. Okay, what are these? These some more funky silver metallic shoes. These are Steven by Steve Madden. They're these silver metallic flats. There's the back and the bottoms. They're very clean. I'm not sure comps on these, but they are in good condition. So I'm happy with the condition of the shoes in this box, seriously, because I've had some ThredUp boxes where it was very questionable. All right, last pair. Oh, these feel like some good ones because they are heavy. All right, we like to see this brand, and it is Fry for the win. So they are these mules. They are all leather, very pretty, like burnished leather. The bottoms look wonderful. Looks like somebody might have bought them from a thrift store for $19 and then sent them in. Let's see what size these are. These are a size 7. The only wear I see really is the leather here is kind of rolled up, but again, I'll leather treat these. They are heavy, so hopefully they'll sell on Poshmark because these things feel like they're like 3 pounds. But super cute shoe, very Western vibes. So happy with these. I certainly feel like I'm gonna make a profit on this box, but you will know better than me because I will have been putting comps up on the screen. Okay, so I got 15 pairs of shoes, my average cost of goods. I'm gonna pop up here on the screen for you, and what I expect to make off the items on this box. So if you deduct the $80 for the box, this would be my potential profit. Overall, pretty happy. I didn't get anything spectacular, super exciting, except for those fries. But overall, a good box. I will definitely make a profit. Super happy to unbox this with you. Have you gotten any ThredUp boxes lately? I probably will get another one sometime this year, not sure when, because I have so much inventory I've been working through, and I have so many hauls to share with you. I just got back from Washington, DC the other day, and I went thrifting while I was there, so I found some brands I've never found in my area. I'm excited to share that with you, and I have some other videos coming up, including an America's Thrift Supply denim micro bale. So they sent me a denim micro bale, and I can't wait to show you what came in that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.